This is a shorter version of the Linda haircut. The perimeter is tighter and the sideburns are more exaggerated. This particular haircut was altered to fit and enhance the client's face shape. Her individual hair strands are fine and her density is super dense at the scalp. We use a sodium hydroxide relaxer and we wrapped her. You can see the sculpted nape as we go in to carve around her ears. It really is all about the details and how we finish the haircut, especially when it's a short haircut where the nape and the ears are exposed. You want to make sure there is a clean, defined edge. That way, no matter what the hair texture is, the shape will always be there, and so the client will always look polished, whether her hair is smooth or coily. Look how fantastic this haircut is. We haven't used a curling iron or a flat iron or anything. All we've done is applied some nourishing lipid serum. You know, that's our organic serum. That's cold pressed oils mixed with a combination of essential oils that are amazing. They nourish the hair and increase and enhance the elasticity. But back to this haircut. It is so cute. She doesn't have to do anything to her hair but tie it down at night and finger comb it in the morning with a little nourishing lipid serum.